Hello guys, you're welcome. Let's solve this beautiful exponential equation here. The question has 1 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of x equals 36 to the power of x. What's the value of x? Right, so what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to be dividing through by 36x. So this is going to be 1 over raised to the power of x, then 36 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of x over 36 to the power of x equals 36 to the power of x divided by 36 to the power of x. So now from here, so this we cancel this, right? Then here we are having x there, we are having x there, so we can have this to be 1 over 36, then x plus, now here we can have 6 over 36, then x equals 1. We have this to be, I can write this as 1 over 6 squared raised to the power x plus 6 we cancel, 6 here we're going to have 1, 6 here we're going to have 6, we have 1 over 6, 1 over 6, right, all to the power of x, then 1. So now from here we can rewrite this as 1 over 6 all squared is going to give us the same thing, because 1 square is 1, 6 square will give us 6 to the power of 2, we have this, then we have the power here plus 1 over 6, then to the power of x equals 1. So now from there, I believe that from the law of indices, this can be, this x and 2 can be interchanged. 1 over 6, right, x will come in, right, then we're going to have 2 outside like this, right, then plus 1 over 6 x equals 1. Do you understand? So from there we can see here we have 1 over 6 to the power of x, 1 over 6 to the power of x here, and we have 1 here. So which shows that we can replace, we can let y be equals 1 over 6 all to the power of x. So we replace it here. So we're going to have y to the power of 2 plus y here, then we have equals 1. But you know that this one here can come in, so if it transposed to the left hand side, it's going to change to negative, then we have 0. So now from there we are having this quadratic equation in terms of y. So what are we going to do? So now from here we're going to use quadratic formula. So we try to compare. A is going to be 1, b is going to be 1, then c is going to be minus 1. So now we have y to be equals minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, that is quadratic formula. We have y equals, what is my b? My b is 1, I have minus 1, then square root, b squared is 1, we have 1 squared will give us 1, minus 4 times a is 1, what is c? Minus 1, right, then divided by 2, what is a? 1, right, so we have y equals, so we have minus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4 times minus 1, that's going to give us, everything is going to give us 5, then all over 2. You should remember that here y must always be greater than 0, right, so it cannot be negative because of this power here. So what we need to do here is that we're going to pick, we have y equals minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2, minus 1 plus root 5 over 2, that is y, or we have minus 1 minus root 5 over 2. So we have these two. Now since we know that if we must get the real solution, right, So our y must not be negative. So therefore, this will be discarded. So we're going to pick the value of y, that is -1 plus root 5 all over 2. But this, because of this negative, we can put root 5 to the front and write it in this form. Right? So from here, so what we need to do is to recall, because we are not looking for y, what we are looking for is x. We need to recall that y equals 1 over 6 all to the power of x. So now from here, y is this. We have what? We have 1 over 6 all to the power of x equals the value of y we got to be root 5 minus 1, then divide by 2. I have 1 over 6 to be the base here, so I'm going to introduce log with respect to base 6. Then I have 1 over 6 all to the power of x equals log 1 over 6. Then we have what? Root 5 minus 1 all over 2. Right? So now from here you can see this, we cancel this. So x will be log 1 over 6, that is the base, then root 5 minus 1, then divide by 2. And this is our solution to the problem. I believe you can see how we solve this. So if you enjoyed the class, please kindly share to your colleagues so they can learn from this. Thank you so much for watching. If you are just watching our video for the first time, consider subscribing today. Click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload new content. Bye bye.